Holy
Birdmans, actually. Is it scary?
Oh my God!
It scared me. And
Oh my God!
I had to hide it. I thought about it.
Oh my God!
It was a really big part of my.
No, because it's finna bust.
I ain't fixing to get
Watch. Look.
Oh,
Wow.
Damn.
This video of yesterday's train collision in Andover. It shows the woman there in that white car pulling up to the train crossing and past the barrier gate as the gate arm comes down behind her car. As she realizes the train's coming, she tries to back up, but then you can see the train hits the car, and then watch as it pushes it into some nearby poles. The car just ripped to shreds.
Oh my gosh, y'all.